So when Zubayr radiallahu ta'ala anhu was dying and he feared these massive debts he'd leave behind, he told his son Abdullah to pay off as much as you can. And if you struggle to pay off what I owe, ista'an bi mawlai, then seek help from my Mawla. So Abdullah said, by Allah, I could not understand what he meant until I asked him, oh my father, who is your Mawla? And he said, Allahu Mawlai. So he said, after he died, whenever I struggled to pay his debts, I would make this dua and I would say, Ya Mawla Zubayr, O master of Zubayr, pay his debts on his behalf. And Allah would open a new door for me. And it got to the point where so much money came back to his estate that where he died leaving nothing, his estate was full of wealth. Ni'mal Mawla wa ni'mal Nasir. What an excellent protector he is, and what an excellent helper he is. Which takes us to this name. When you find comfort in him being on your side, he shows you his power to help. Allah is An-Nasir, the helper who loves to aid you. Now what's the difference between Mawla and Nasir? Because they come right next to each other and they seem very similar. Think of Al-Mawla as the one who is with you even in defeat, and An-Nasir as the one who guarantees you victory at the end. An-Nasir speaks to decisive outcomes and promised victory. And when an oppressed person calls out, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala answers, Wallahi la ansurannaka walau ba'da hin. I swear I will deliver for you even after some time. But He is Al-Mawla without you throughout that process. And Nasir to give you the promised outcome. So does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give Nasr only to those whom He loves? Sometimes Allah gives Nasr because of a circumstance, not because of the person. So for example, when the Prophet ﷺ says, Da'watul Madhroom, the prayer of the oppressed, has no hijab between it and Allah. Even if the one making the prayer is a disbeliever, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not granting Nasr to that person because He loves them, but because He hates injustice. But when He is both your Mawla and your Nasir, His help comes to you both from His love as well as His sense of justice.